How to make money with faceless reels in 2026. If you've been searching for how to make money with faceless reels in 2026, this video is going to show you one of the simplest, beginner-friendly ways to start making money online without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without needing complicated tech skills. Because right now there are people using faceless reels on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels to generate affiliate commissions completely online. And honestly, this is becoming one of the biggest opportunities for beginners because short-form content is dominating attention online right now. People are scrolling for hours every day, and the creators who understand how to use faceless reels are taking advantage of that traffic. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how faceless reels make money, how affiliate marketing fits into the process, what tools beginners are using, and the exact business-in-a-box system people are using to shortcut the learning curve in 2026. Now, before we start, if you want instant access to the exact system, AI tools, faceless reels library, and training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And also subscribe right now because this channel is all about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, side hustles, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get into it. So first of all, what exactly are faceless reels? Faceless reels are short-form videos where you do not show your face or personal identity. Instead, creators use text animations, stock footage, AI-generated visuals, quotes, motivation clips, business content, screen recordings, slideshows, or viral-style edits. These videos can be posted on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. And the reason faceless reels work so well is because social media platforms are heavily pushing short-form video content. That means even small creators can get views. You do not need thousands of followers to start. You do not need expensive cameras. And you definitely do not need to become some influencer personality. Now the question becomes, how do faceless reels actually make money? This is where affiliate marketing comes in. The process is actually simple. You post reels. People watch your content. Some people click your affiliate links. Sales are generated. You earn commissions. That's it. And some affiliate programs can pay high-ticket commissions, around $200 per sale, depending on the offer structure. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to create content from scratch every single day. That's exhausting. That's why most people quit. But the system I'm talking about in this video includes access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting content immediately without spending hours editing videos. You simply grab content, customize it if you want, add your affiliate links, and start posting consistently. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons faceless affiliate marketing is exploding in 2026. AI and automation are making it easier than ever for beginners to create content. Now, if you want access to the same faceless reels library and automation tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below because that's where you can get instant access and start today. Now, another huge feature inside the platform is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is extremely important because attention is everything online. If your first few seconds are boring, people scroll immediately. That's why hooks matter so much. The AI tools inside the system help generate viral hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and content angles automatically. So instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to post, beginners can use AI to speed up content creation dramatically. And honestly, people using AI tools right now have a huge advantage in affiliate marketing. They can create more content faster while staying consistent. Now let's talk about consistency because this is important. Most people fail online because they quit too early. They upload a few videos, get discouraged, stop posting. But social media is a volume game. The more quality content you post, the more chances you create for views, clicks, and commissions. That's why this system recommends posting multiple reels daily. Now that sounds overwhelming at first, but remember, the content is already done for you. That's what makes this beginner-friendly. You're not creating everything from zero. Now another thing I really like about this model is the ability to repost content across multiple platforms. For example, one reel can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. That means one piece of content can generate traffic from multiple sources. More traffic means more opportunities for affiliate commissions. Now let's talk about why faceless reels are growing so fast, specifically in 2026. The biggest reason is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online, but don't want friends, family, or coworkers constantly seeing them online. Faceless content solves that problem. You can build pages around motivation, finance, business, AI, quotes, success clips, side hustles, or tutorials without attaching your identity. That's why faceless pages are exploding right now. Now, another advantage is that you can run this business directly from your phone. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need a professional setup. A lot of beginners are literally uploading reels during breaks at work or from home in the evenings. That's why this side hustle appeals to so many people. Now, another important feature inside the system is automation. There are done-for-you email swipe templates included to help with follow-up. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually, people need to see offers multiple times before making a decision. That's why follow-up systems can increase conversions significantly. And for beginners, having done-for-you email templates saves a huge amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand how to make money with faceless reels, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people trying to learn affiliate marketing in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to keep posting tutorials about faceless YouTube channels, AI content strategies, affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and beginner-friendly online income systems. Now let's talk about daily workflow because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard, grab a few faceless reels, generate captions or hooks with AI, post content across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat daily. That's it. Simple consistency. And remember, you do not need to go viral to make money online. You need targeted attention and consistency. Even small creators can generate affiliate commissions when the content reaches the right audience. Now, obviously, this is not an overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency, but compared to traditional online business models, faceless reels combined with affiliate marketing is one of the lowest barrier opportunities available in 2026. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, no websites, no coding, just content plus affiliate links. And honestly, the people who take action early usually benefit the most. Most people will keep watching videos and never actually start. Meanwhile, others are building pages, learning the process, improving their content, and building momentum over time. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start messy, learn as you go, improve with consistency. Now, if you're serious about learning how to make money with faceless reels and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless reels library, training, landing pages, dashboards, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get in, leave a comment below this video and let me know, because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials, faceless content strategies, AI tools, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.